this whole time. I thought I was recording. Okay, let me do a Cliff Notes version. I'm getting ready to do an online masterclass with a platform. When we're talking about creating passive income, this is one of the ways that I create passive income, by getting on other people's platform and marketing a product or service that I have. Now, obviously, this didn't just come up out of the blue. I have a relationship with this particular brand. I've worked with them before in another capacity. So now I get to come on as an expert on their platform, which could be like hundreds, if not thousands of people in their membership. And I get to share my expertise with them and sell my product. It's a low-cost product, so it's not anything that I'm expecting to be my main breadwinner, but it is a way that I can generate passive income for as long as their membership is open, as long as they're getting new members, as long as people are watching this masterclass. So that's an idea, a tip for anyone who's trying to generate passive income. One, you have to already have your own platform, your audience. You have to establish your expertise and your value in your niche, and that would allow you to network with other people who are doing similar things that would allow you to get on their platform. So I'm literally spending an hour and a half of my time presenting something that I know like the back of my hand, and being able to get in front of an audience that I probably would never have been able to get in front of before. So it's pretty cool. This is the second time I've done something like this before, but it's just another way that you can sow seeds to generate passive income. So I'm gonna hop on this masterclass and record this thing and blow it out of the water and just see how many people actually buy the product that literally took me minutes to create, upload on my site, but I know will provide value to the people who are watching because they already have an interest in the topic that I'll be talking about. So that's a way that you can generate passive income. Think about things like getting on people's podcasts, all those things. Create value with your audience, build your audience, and then you can network, get on other people's platform, so you have free marketing to other people that you otherwise wouldn't reach. So that's just a tip for you guys. I will probably holler at you guys later after this master class. It's late. It's like about to be 7 o'clock here, so it'll be late before I finish, but just wanted to share that tip with you guys as kind of like behind the scenes of things that I do to actually generate money in my business online. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.